Hi there, I'm Ted Saxton. I'm one of the co-owners of Small Town Tech, and I'd like to invite you to take a look inside my store. We've been at the downtown International Falls location for over 5 years now, serving our customers with services like network installation and monitoring, antivirus, computer repair, cell phone repair, and we hope to serve you for many more years to come. Come join me.
Welcome to Small Town Tech. How can I help you?
So come in soon and let us help you with our friendly service and helpful staff. Or in the meantime, you can visit us on our website at smalltowntech.shop, where we have our services listed and you can even get help right there for all your technology needs.